आई वॉज डूइंग शॉपिंग, तो मेरे एक दोस्त ने मुझे कॉल करके बोला कि फाइनली हो गया तेरा एंड यू गॉट AIR 50। तो खुशी हुई और फिर मैं आई वॉज रिलैक्स कि चलो काम ख़त्म हुआ। एंड फिर बहुत सारे कॉल्स आए, कॉल्स अटेंड की एंड हाँ उसके बाद थोड़ी सी सिंक इन हुआ कि अच्छा हाँ सेलेक्ट हो गए फाइनली, सर्विस भी अपने मन की मिल जाएगी। सो इट वाज लाइक दिस।
हाउ डिड योर पेरेंट्स फील?
दे फेल्ट गुड। पापा साथ में थे नहीं तो उन्हें थोड़ा लेट पता चला। मम्मी वाज विद मी तो उनको थोड़ा शॉपिंग ज़्यादा करानी पड़ गई, बस ऐसे।
Hello everyone, and yeah, so about the winning moment, it's not been a long time, still pretty fresh in my memory. It was 31st of May 2017 and I was in my office and very much expecting the result. I didn't want to see it myself though, but I mean I was still refreshing the website. So a friend of mine called me, a college friend, and he asked me my roll number because he had already seen the name probably. And when I told him, he told me that I got whatever a rank in the top 10. So I didn't believe him, obviously I said that. But somehow at the back of my mind I knew that he wouldn't lie about this, and I went back and checked the PDF and it was a surreal moment, let's say. And then I came out and I was pretty numb at that time, but when I called home, first my mom and then my dad, and it was a great moment. Obviously it was a moment I had dreamt of and still gives me goosebumps. And well, after that it was a flurry of calls from relatives and friends and everyone, so pretty very special moments for me. That's it.
Okay, so I was at my house when I was seeing the result, and so first I couldn't log into UPSC site or whatever, so I got this PDF from a random social media platform, and I couldn't believe it because I searched my name and I found it and there was my rank, and then I checked it on UPSC site and it was there, and not kidding, my hands were shaking and I was almost about to drop my phone, but my parents were just right next to my room, and I went and I told them, and my mom started crying and my dad was like, I've seen him the happiest then. Actually at the night I was just lying down and I just could get that feeling was there that it sunk in that I had become what I wanted to become, and that's it.
When the results came out last year, I was in Nasin. Some of our friends were sitting in a room and the news came that results have come. So we started watching, the list was opened and somebody shouted, I think it was Kumar Sani Raju, said, Abhilash Mishra 5th rank. I thought, is it a reality or I am in a dream or what? So I asked him to just check my roll number. So what we did eventually was, we were matching my roll number digit wise, 0, 6, 5, 6, 4, 0, 1. And all the digits had matched.
To 20 officer trainees in each group. they roamed the length and breadth of the country. After almost 7 weeks of hectic traveling, exciting experiences, many new friendships, and many wise realizations later, all the 10 groups descended in Delhi on 28th January.
जीने दो सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो ना 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 Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Na 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 na.
बहुत मजा आया यार. I didn't expect it. Yes, I'm very happy. But I don't want to go.
फेज 1 एंड हो रहा है मतलब.
I don't want to go. This place is the best place to be. Like, I don't know. I mean, I'll miss this place.
ये बोले हमारी केटी बहुत
realized that how we needed to meet each other, and from that day there was no going back.
खुशी खुशी एक कर्ण की मौत मिल गई. और अच्छा इसलिए लग रहा है क्योंकि इतना काफी समय बढ़िया बीता है. इसके बाद हम लोग जा रहे हैं.
बहुत सारी मेमोरीज हैं, स्पेशली इन माय भारत वैसे लोग
जितना यहाँ पे रहे हैं उतना ज़्यादा प्यार होता गया.
The last point which I wanted to say was that through courage, compassion and conviction, add a little bit. You're finally going to the field and joining the ranks of the frontline warriors against COVID-19 with abundant courage, unparalleled compassion and a firm conviction to serve your country. Thank you. Jai Hind.